Oh shit.
It was slipping in the water.
Oh, I should have done slow mo. Is this the skunky one?
Yeah, spray, yeah. Imagine me spraying like
Skunk
that.
spray. Damn! Wow.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Ah,
Okay, that is pretty damn
that's
cool.
nice. I like that.
Holy shit! Okay, that was pretty cool.
That was cool.
Like smoky cuts. Oh, was that it?
Stop.
Stand back a bit.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, that was good.
Look at the smoke.
Holy shit. No, you can do it. Go, run.
What a macro stuck there.
Oh, that looks really creepy.
Yes. Right.
Ooh, ow. Ow. Ow.
What was that?
Thank you.
Oh.
Not bad.
That's what she said.
Wait, the other one stopped working. Wow, that was quick.
The other one was thin, wasn't it?
It's just a precision strike.
Yeah. There's about 50 shots coming out of that.
Bang. Where did Skunk go? Oh, there he is.
Hey!
Nice.
Yep, got it that time.
It made that, those lights flickering. Oh, mine handy.
Yay!
So long. So I think eventually we'll go back. Oh, it's just kind of cool. Yeah, I'm a bit behind you.
These are way too legal. This is cool. I like this. Yeah. That's it. I think on mine. Yeah. Poof. Oh. Ah. Woo.
It's when he gets into the bendy bit.
There's a bush there. I'm going to jump that way.
Oh shit.
It was slipping in the water.
Oh, I should have done slow mo. Is this the skunky one?
Yeah, spray, yeah. Imagine me spraying like
Skunk
that.
spray. Damn!
Wow.
That's pretty cool. Okay, that is pretty damn
That's
cool.
nice. Oh, I like that.
Holy shit! Okay, that was pretty cool.
That was cool. Ready? Oh, it's a massive flame now. Right, 1, 2, 3, go to the fuse.
Yep, 3, 2, wait, go.
Yay! YouTube legging it like
You'll run.
that.
Oh, they were pink.
Oh, nice pink.
Pinky ones.
Oh.
Rain.
Did you hit fall down?
Oh yeah, it was behind this. Oh, I bet it's crazy at the end.
It made those lights flickering. I can't tell where the other one's. Wait a minute, yours didn't go either, did it?
I think these are a bitch to light with these. I managed it.
Oh no, 2 are going. Okay.
Mine's
Got
going,
it. Right, now you can see what you're doing, Shani. Over there, go and light yours now. Careful. Look at that flame on that. Oh, it's one of these little things.
Pretty good. Oh, it's like a jet engine.
It's getting heavier.
Like a jet engine. Actually,
Quick, 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 quick.
damn.
Oh wow.
That was pretty good at the end.
Oh.
Oh, pretty.
That was.
Oh,
Oh, it's one of these. I thought it. At least bang. I'm getting wet. Oh, that didn't go off. Yeah.